Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for nursery suitable for 4 to 5 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 59. Look at this, children. This is letter U in capital shape. This is letter V in capital shape. This is letter W in capital shape. And this is letter X in capital shape. Now say with me, children. U V W X. Say again, children. U V W X. Children, this is letter U in capital shape and this is letter U in small shape. Children, you have to match this letter U in capital shape with its letter U in small shape with a straight line. Likewise, children, you will match all the capital letters with its small letter shapes. This is letter V in capital letter shape, children, and this is letter V in small letter shape. Children, you have to match this V in capital letter shape with its V in small letter shape with a straight line. This is letter W in capital letter shape, children, and this is letter W in small letter shape. Children, you have to match this letter W in capital letter shape with its letter W in small letter shape with a straight line. This is letter X in a capital letter shape, children, and this is letter X in a small letter shape. Children, you have to match this X in capital letter shape with its X in small letter shape with a straight line. After matching the capital letters with its small letters, let's read this vocabulary, children. This is van, this is watch, this is box, and this is umbrella. Listen again, children. Van, watch, box, umbrella. Children, the beginning sound of van is v, and the beginning sound of watch is wa. The ending sound of box is x, and the beginning sound of umbrella is a. Now say with me, children. V, van, wa, watch, box, ending sound of box is x, and this is umbrella. The beginning sound of umbrella is a. Look at this, children. Now this is letter U in small letter shape, this is letter V in small letter shape, this is letter W in small letter shape, and this is letter X in small letter shape. Children, now you have to trace these letters, and then on the remaining space of these lines you have to write these letters by yourself in small letter shapes. Look at this, children. This is letter U in capital letter shape, this is letter V in capital letter shape, and this is letter W in capital letter shape, and this is letter X in capital letter shape. Children, you have to trace these letters in capital letter shapes, and then you have to write these letters in capital letter shapes on the remaining space of these lines. This was our page number 59, children, and this is our page number 60. On this page number 60, children, now you have to trace and write the small and capital letter shapes on this page. This is U in small letter shape, and this is U in capital letter shape. Likewise, this is V in small letter shape, and this is V in capital letter shape. This is W in small letter shape, and this is W in capital letter shape. This is X in small letter shape, and this is X in capital letter shape. You have to trace and write all these letter shapes on this page. This was our page number 60.